Once a staple in British homes, the canary was more than just a pet. It was a symbol of domestic tranquility and elegance. In the 19th century, canaries flourished as a favoured companion for their cheerful song and vibrant plumage. These small birds, originating from the Canary Islands, were bred meticulously, resulting in a variety of captivating colours and tunes. The craze was so profound that canary shows and competitions became widespread, showcasing not only their beauty, but also their singing prowess. Over time, however, the decline in popularity and the advent of different pets led to the canary's faded presence from households. Today, this forgotten tradition serves as a nostalgic reminder of a bygone era, once resonant with melodious chirps, reflecting a unique aspect of British cultural history.